Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here again. Let's do another original knot. This is the Nutcracker knot. This is my left side. The tie is at the belt line as usual. Come over, put in a dimple right here, and bring it over to the center. We're gonna come across like this, down. Then we're gonna come back over here like this, like that. So we have that so far. What I'm now gonna do is I'm gonna do a wreath. Across the top. I'm going to come over. What I'm wanting to do is I'm wanting to create a row of teeth here and a row of teeth here. I'm going to fold it in half. Come around here like this. Come around here like this. So it's folded in half. And then do a wreath there, like so. I put my collar down here. So this way you can see row of teeth here, row of teeth here. And the tighter you spin or braid it, the more pronounced the teeth will be, or the wreath will be. There you have it. So there's the Nutcracker knot. Oh no, it's my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Catch you in the next video.